Pants? No, I be a
Okay.
No, he
This
won't.
is Tidy Pants' birthday party. How old is Tidy Pants?
8.
8? Don't push him, please.
Also, when it's my birthday, her son turned 8.
Okay.
He wants to open this one. I take it off right now. Ooh. So having a snowball. Wait, that's a snowball that your face.
Can you?
On top. And there's a big snowball. You see what I mean? Ready?
What is it, Tyler?
I can't tell you. Diamond from I've been wanting this. Sing it, Tyler.
Who was that from?
Me?
Let's save the cards.
Yeah. Now he wants to open this. Oh, I'm going to put you 30 minutes.
That's from Austin.
Just watch stuff.
What is it, Tyler?
You mean that's it?
There's some grass. You want to tell them what they are?
He'll figure them out. What bunny? I like bunnies. What is this, Austin? Oh, that's a telescope. Oh. It looks like a funny. It looks like a...
Austin, your foot's right in my...
I like this one.
That's a picture of Tidy Pants, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't that what you said?
He's
That's some grass. And then the other picture is, tell them who it is.
on me.
That's Austin.
Now I started to make him some bits. Now he wants to open that one.
You made a lot of cards, Tyler.
I had to make 4 because I have happy. The volcano. Oh, when it's spits on it turns hard, and it's starting to be, and I need you to beat the rainbow.
Okay.
And that's it. It's going to be a rainbow, and it's 7 minutes away.
Okay.
I've been wanting my very own phone.
Ah, Tidy Pants got a phone.
Tyler's got a
Thank
phone?
you, Tyler. And Austin. I want to do that. It so he has his very own phone. I referred him. We both shot him back. No.
He did. He said, thanks, Tyler and Austin.
But, no, because that.
Okay. Open, what, 2 more presents? I need to keep cleaning.
This. Well, we're running to school, racing. I'll get this one. There's some more stuff. There's the concord. There's a dinosaur. One more.
Brian.
Look what is entering in. I broke the rock. And then start a
Whoa.
Thank you, everyone. Wait, I have to tell pants.
Happy birthday.
Teddy pants. When did he say the guitar?
Happy birthday. I'm not your mommy. Tyler's your daddy.
Oh, this is a Benny. Can I see? Can I see?